In this lesson, I want to talk about SSL, which stands for Secure Sockets Layer, and the most common used term is SSL. So if you go on this website, which is called Creative 21 Studio, it's not secure. If you click here, you're going to see that your connection is not secure. You should not enter any sensitive information on this site, example passwords, credit cards, and because it could be stolen by attackers. So this is an additional service that you need to add, or additional step that you need to make on some of the hosting companies. Actually, they do charge you to an extra fee to add that SSL, but with our plan, it actually comes with your package. So let me head over to Gmail. If you go on over to Gmail, if you click on here, you're going to notice that it says connection secure. If I click on here, it says your connection is secure. For example, passwords, credit cards is private, sent to this site. So there is no way attackers can actually do that. So what we need to do is to put SSL, it's called an SSL secure socket layer, onto this website, or some they choose to call it SSL certificate. Okay, so you may find out that there are some websites like that. I'm sure you guys may cross that. So that's what we need to do. So in order for you to do that, you log into your cPanel. I've shown you how to get into your cPanel from the other video. Once you go to your cPanel, depending on the hosting that you are using, okay, sometimes you may need to reach out to their support and ask them, how do I add SSL to my website, if it's not straightforward. But in this case, on our platform, you head over to the cPanel, and then you go to softwares. Okay, you go to security, okay, or you can actually search here. Okay, once you can now click on let's encrypt SSL, or you can click on you can search let's encrypt on the search bar here. But in that case, just going to go to softwares and then security, and then click SSL. On some of the hosting platforms, like I said, you may not find this at all. So what I'm going to do is to click here, and then I want to issue the SSL certificate. I'm just going to click on issue. Once I click on issue at the bottom one, okay, because this is the domain that we are working on. Okay, and then I'm just going to click on add SSL to subdomains, and so you just check on that. And once that is done, that's all you need to check, and then you click on issue. Okay, there is a problem with issuing this certificate, so I'm going to retry again. I've just retried to do the same process, and the SSL was installed on this domain. That's how you install SSL. And in order for you to check if it has been installed, basically it's just to go to the domain, and all you have to do is to refresh. Once you refresh here, you just click on here. As you can see now, it says the website is now secure. We've just added the security. So like I said, some hosting, this comes automatically, it's actually there. And if you face any issues, please go ahead and use our community to ask questions about SSL and anything, irrespective if you're using our platform or we are using a different platform altogether. With that said, thank you so much for watching, and let's move on to the next lesson.